Well, the second category of instruments, instead of having one vibrator for each note, just has one vibrator, and then you do something to it. You either change its shape or its state of tension in order to change the pitch. And my member of that family is this one. This is just an ordinary wood saw, but if we treat it in the right sort of way, which means, in fact, that we clamp it firmly between the knees, like that, bend it into an S shape, and the S is the important bit. When it's in an S shape, this middle bit, which is more or less flat, is suspended on two springs, you see, and it can flap backwards and forwards. And if we now bow it, we get quite a loud sound. And this middle bit is simply flapping backwards and forwards, vibrating in a regular way. But this time, I can change the pitch by changing the bend. If I alter this bend, tighten it up a bit, then it's going to vibrate more rapidly. And so we can get a number of different notes out of one vibrator. Now, the saw is a sort of music hall type instrument. It's usually used for playing very romantic love songs, and a love song really needs excessive vibrato, which you get by allowing your right heel down here to wobble like this. Or something like that. Well, I'm sure you don't want to listen to that for very long. It's a dreadful noise, but it does illustrate the point, you see. There is a single vibrator which we can do things to get different notes. And there are quite a lot of instruments in that category. All the woodwinds, where you have the air in the column is the primary thing, and you're changing the shape of the air column, or the length, if you like, by putting your fingers on the keys or taking them off. So you're altering the shape of the air column. The violin, all the string family, you're altering the length of the string. Now, somebody's going to say, but a violin has 4 strings. Well, that's simply because one string doesn't have a big enough range, so you need more in order to cover the whole range. But in principle, that's the second category.